November 22nd, 1980, Kingston, Jamaica. Three men drove through the city night. General Echo, born Earl Anthony Robinson, Leon Big John Johns, owner of the Stereophonic Sound system, and Colonel Flux, the selector who kept its music alive. They were heading to check an amplifier, a normal part of their work in Jamaica's booming sound system scene. But before dawn, all three were dead, shot by police on Derrymore Road. The killings came during one of the most violent periods in Jamaica's history. This is One Drop Facts, where we keep it real, keep it roots, and share the stories like we're sitting down together. Because this isn't just about a tragedy, it's about freedom, creativity, and the risk of standing outside the system. The 1980 general election had just ended, leaving hundreds dead in politically driven conflict. Kingston's streets were divided by party color, and trust between citizens and police had nearly collapsed. In that tension, any gathering, any success, and any show of independence could draw suspicion. Stereophonic Sound wasn't political. It was cultural, one of Kingston's most popular systems, famous for unity and celebration. Big John was the businessman, managing the gear and crew. Colonel Flux was the selector, shaping every night's musical flow, and General Echo, only 24, had just changed Jamaican music with his new lyrical style. Slackness, witty, street level, and unfiltered. His hit, Arlene, recorded on the legendary Stalag rhythm, made him a household name in 1980. That night, the three were reportedly unarmed, transporting equipment when police stopped their car. Shots followed almost immediately. No official reason was ever released. No independent investigation ever brought answers. The Daily Gleaner and later historians described the event as an unjustified execution that was never satisfactorily explained. To this day, no one has been held accountable. The impact was immediate. Jamaica's music community mourned not just Echo, but the loss of a complete cultural unit, the voice, the selector, and the owner of one of Kingston's most powerful independent sounds. Their deaths became a symbol of how fragile creative freedom was in a time of fear and division. But their legacy survived. Echo's lyrical freedom reshaped dancehall. Flux's precision became part of the art of selection. Big John's model of independent ownership showed that sound system culture could stand on its own feet. In 1981, UK DJs Clint Eastwood and General Saint released Tribute to General Echo, spreading the story worldwide and ensuring their names would never fade. More than 40 years later, the case remains unsolved, a silence that still echoes through Jamaican history. Because when the music speaks truth, power often answers with noise. So tell me, was this justice or another chapter in the long story of impunity? Drop your thoughts in the comments. One drop, one love. Stay groovy.